Hello there. My name is Bart, and today we're going to talk about, well, just take a look around. I don't know if you can see it pretty clearly, but there's a lot of frickin' snow around here. Look at that. Yeah, get a good look over there, Johnny. Get a good look at the snow there. That's the snow around here. It's pretty brutal there. You can see that. Yeah, take a walk here. Take a walk over here. Look how deep this snow is here. Oh, you're tipping some snow there. What the hell is going on? This is what it's like in Toronto right now. All the frickin' snow. All the frickin' snow going on there. December 19th, 2008. Quite the snowstorm out here. Look at that. What the hell is going on here? It is just brutal. It is just brutal out there. It's brutal, and it's cold, and it's snowy, and it's windy, and it's not nice. It's very winterish out here. A lot of the cars are getting stuck on the roads, and that guy's sliding around there. Lots of sliding going on, and cars are getting stuck, and people getting, you know, taking hours to get home, and it's a real mess. Anyways, just thought I'd do a show here and talk about this vicious winter storm here that's going on December 19th, 2008. It's not very nice. Oh, it's windy out here. Holy crap, it's cold. It's really, come on, flop your arms. Flop, oh yes. Come on, flop your arms, you can think a snowstorm's crazy. Come on. Flop your arms, you think a snowstorm's crazy. Oh yes. Come on. Flop your arms, you like the snow. Well, actually, I don't like the snow, but well, I flop my arms anyway. Oh, yes. Come on, flop your arms. If you like the snow, or if you hate the snow, or if you just think it's really frickin' cold and wintry out here in Toronto, then flop your arms. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, there you go. Flop your arms in the snow. Oh, yes. Look at that. Oh, God. Oh, another car's going to try to go around there. Oh, he made it okay. Well, he slipped a little bit there. Can you hear the wind? Can you hear the wind there? Can you hear it? It's cold, it's windy, it's snowy, it's... Oh, boy. Boy, oh, boy. This is brutal. It is just brutal out there. I don't know if you can see how deep that is, Johnny. Can you see how deep that is there? And there's more over here. Can we get more shots over there, the other side of the car there? Oh, Tricky Ricky's car there. It'd be hard to see it, but it's not nice. It's not nice at all there. See, his car is kind of covered there pretty good. Well, that's all I really wanted to show you. That some of the snow going on here. There's a very snowy white day. Christmas time's coming. There will be a Randomness with Bart show coming up for Christmas time, around Christmas. So Christmas is only 6 days away. It's pretty close, eh? Oh yes, come on. Oh, flop your arms if you're excited for Christmas. Oh yes. Randomness with Bart. Christmas time 2008 is coming soon. Oh yes, in the meantime, be safe. Drive safe out there, and watch all the snow, and stay warm and stay dry. And be prepared for lots of being stuck in traffic and being stuck in the snow and sliding around and crashing and getting accidents and ending up in the hospital and dying. Yes. Yeah, prepare for all that if you're out in this weather. Oh, yes. Come on. There's so much snow out here, you gotta flop your arms. Come on, there's so much snow. Oh, yes. Oh, come on. Oh, yes. Flop your arms with Bart if you think the snow is crazy. Oh, yes. Well, there you go. This has been another episode of... Holy crap, it's cold, Johnny. Johnny. Yeah, he's blowing on his hands, or he's so frickin' cold. Anyways, this has been another Randomness with Bart. There's one more show coming for Christmas time, before Christmas, around there. And yeah, stay dry and stay warm, because it's frickin' cold out here, and there's cars getting stuck there. They're everywhere. There's buses getting stuck and everything, and yeah, people are getting in accidents all over the city. And a lot of snow, a lot of cold weather. Yes. Until next time, very soon, you'll see me again around Christmas time. Until then, my name is Bart. Goodbye.
His name is Tricky.
77.
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 His name is Tricky. Ricky.
77.
His name is Tricky. Ricky.
77.